Weather. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about weather, useful phrases you can use to describe the weather and talk about how it feels outside. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Tom and the changing weather. It's Monday morning. Tom wakes up, looks out the window, and says, "Wow, it's sunny today." He smiles and decides to go jogging in the park. After 1 hour, he feels hot and says, "The weather is hot. I need some water." He drinks a bottle of water and sits on a bench. Suddenly, dark clouds appear. Tom looks up and says, "Oh no, it's cloudy now." A few minutes later, the wind blows strongly. "It's windy," he says, holding his hat. Soon it starts to rain. Tom runs and laughs. "It's rainy. I should have brought my umbrella." He hides under a big tree waiting for the rain to stop. After 20 minutes, the air feels cool. Tom smiles again. It's cool outside now. But then he checks his phone. The weather app says, "A big storm is coming." Tom decides to go home quickly. On the way, he sees snowflakes falling. He shouts, "It's snowy! The weather changes so fast!" Finally, he gets home, takes a warm shower, and says, "It's warm inside, and I love it." Tom laughs. "What a crazy weather day." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Tom and the changing weather. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Monday morning. Who wakes up and looks outside? Tom. What day is it? Monday. What does Tom say? It's sunny today. Where does Tom go? Jogging in the park. How does the weather feel? Hot. What does Tom say? The weather is hot. What does he do? He drinks some water. Suddenly, the sky changes. What does Tom see? Dark clouds. What does he say? It's cloudy. What happens next? It becomes windy. How does Tom react? He holds his hat and says, "It's windy." What happens after that? It starts to rain. What does Tom say? It's rainy. Does he have an umbrella? No. Where does Tom go during the rain? He hides under a big tree. What does he do while waiting? He laughs and waits for the rain to stop. When the rain stops, how's the weather? Cool outside. What does he say? It's cool outside. Then what does his phone say? A big storm is coming. What does Tom do? He goes home quickly. What happens on the way? It starts to snow. What does Tom shout? It's snowy. When Tom gets home, how is the temperature inside? Warm. What does he say at the end? It's warm inside, and I love it. How does he feel? Happy and relaxed. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about weather. Today, you practiced phrases like, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's windy, it's snowy, the weather is hot, it's cool outside, and a big storm is coming. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.